The basic overhaul kit is your best bet for a long-lasting and trouble-free overhaul. Few transmission parts see as much work as the input shaft and the top gear sliding clutch. If they are worn, they should be replaced, and that's why both are included in the basic overhaul kit. Now, you may be thinking, why should I replace a worn input shaft and sliding clutch? Because a worn spline on the input shaft can lead to vibrations, clutch chatter, and hard shifting. A sliding clutch with worn and round clutching teeth will cause gear slip out. No other kits give you the quality, value, and field support, all backed with the confidence of a 1-year warranty and Road Ranger support. The basic rebuild kit is the right choice when you don't need to replace the input shaft and sliding clutch. It's much more than any old bearing kit. Sure, you'll find bearings, gaskets, seals, snap rings, and O-rings, just like any bearing kit. But, part for part, you'll find better quality in a genuine Eaton rebuild kit, and you'll see additional parts that we consider essential to a good rebuild. Parts that help to avoid nagging oil and air leaks. Parts that you won't find in any other rebuild kit. No other kits give you the quality, value, and field support, all backed with the confidence of a 1-year warranty and Road Ranger support. The Master Rebuild Kit includes every component to completely overhaul a transmission. No other kits give you the quality, value, and field support. Each kit is carefully packed to make sure you get every bearing, fitting, gasket, spring, and shaft you need to get the job done, all backed with the confidence of a 1-year warranty and Road Ranger support. An Eaton clutch installation kit has all the parts and instructions you need for longer clutch life, smoother shifts, and less wear on the transmission. The shift tower and clutch housing gaskets include a beaded surface to eliminate leak paths. The input shaft design is engineered to eliminate idle gear rattle, and the clutch housing gasket is compatible with both Fuller's patented forced lube system and standard configuration transmissions. This kit also includes a front bearing cover engineered for a smoother clutch brake surface with oil return grooves on the input shaft to maximize lube retention. Some kits contain a long-life flywheel pilot bearing with high-temperature grease and Viton seals. These help to resist the temperatures of today's hotter-running engines. And cross-shaft bushings improve throw-out bearing life, make shifting smoother, and operation easier. They also protect against costly clutch housing repairs or replacements. No other kits give you the quality, value, and field support, all backed with the confidence of a 1-year warranty and Road Ranger support.